My intuition is telling me that.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. So today, even though I literally just moved a couple days ago, I have so many more unboxes to unpack. I wanted to do a giveaway for you guys because it's been a minute since I have done one. And I just got a bunch of duplicates in my boxy LUXIes, so I figure I'll do a moving giveaway and an almost 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So if we can make it to 2,000, that would be awesome. Probably won't happen, but yes. And I just wanted to show you guys how grateful I am for your continued support. So if you're interested to see how you can enter this giveaway and what the prizes are, keep on watching. And if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because you will need to be subscribed to enter the giveaway, and I do check. Alright, so this is going to be a US giveaway only. I can't afford international shipping, I apologize. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission. You must be subscribed to my channel. You follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is NatRoseMusicToMakeup, and like any one of my pictures and tag a friend. Extra entry if you follow my Etsy shop, which is Music to Makeup. Alright, so let's get into the prizes, and all the rest of the giveaway information and how to enter will be listed down below. Oh, you have to also leave a comment. Just leave a comment. Alright, so first we have this LUXIE brush set. It's in a nice little red container, and it has beautiful gold brushes. It has eye and face brushes. And to go with that is this makeup brush holder. So you can put eyes and face in each separate category. Next we have this Be Beauty Barbarella palette, eyeshadow palette. Then we have this Iconic London Blaze Chaser Face Palette. We have these Beauty Bakerie, what are they called again? Blending eggs. So this includes 6 beauty sponges from Beauty Bakerie. And to clean your beauty sponges and makeup brushes is my handmade makeup brush cleaner, and this is in the scent Cherry Blossom. And then we have this Glow Recipe PLUMP Hyaluronic Serum. It's a deep hydration and glow serum. We have this ROCKIN's Cosmetic Hot Mess Threesome Gel Eye Pens. And then lastly, we have a Dominique Cosmetics, what's it called? Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner in Crush, which is kind of like a pinky beige, or nude, I'm sorry, but this is an awesome lip liner. I just tried it, and it's really unique because it has a slanted applicator, which makes it go on very precisely and clean. Alright guys, so those are the giveaway prizes, and like I said, all the rules will be in the description box below, as well as when the winner will be announced. So I love you all. I am so grateful for you all, and if it shows you anything about how much you guys mean to me, even though I have so much to unpack, I wanted to come on here and film a video because you guys are important to me. Alright, I love you all. I will see you in my next video.